Please set your phone to airplane mode.
Hi guys, today we're at the airplane going to Hawaii. Look this. We have guys today. Hello, guys. So everybody's gonna be here today. 1 and 2 and 1, 2, 3.
Just hello everyone, we're going to be preparing the cabin for arrival shortly. Ladies and gentlemen, we'd like to welcome you to the island of Maui. Local time is 1:38 p.m.
God, look at these guys.